In this video, I will explain you how you can use English dictionary to translate any word to any language. Like when you open it, you will see the interface like this. Let's wait for it to open. Click on Let's Go, and I will use the free version. At the start, you will see a screen like this. You can search for any word here. Like I search chair. Chair. A seat for one person with a spot for the bags. Examples: he put his coat over the back of the chair and sat down. With this explanation, you know what exactly the chair is. Other than that, you can also listen.
Chair.
In this way, it explains the pronunciation of any word. Now we will translate it into another language.
Kursiyun.
Now it has translated it in the English language. You can select any language from here: Sindhi, Sinhala, Slovak, Spanish. Whatever language you choose, you would see the translation in that language. Now we go back and search for another word like pen. It is showing you ad. You can click on the close button if you don't want to see any ad. Table, a set of data arranged in rows and columns. It means it is telling the tables that are used in computers. And the third meaning of table is a piece of furniture having a smooth flat top that is usually supported by one or more vertical legs. Examples: it was a sturdy table. It is explaining what exactly the table is. It has vertical legs and a flat on the top, and you can understand what exactly the table is. You can also listen to its pronunciation.
Table.
In this way, you could know what the translation of the word is. And it also suggests the words related to the table. Let me explore other features of it, like voice translation. Book.
Livre.
Let me choose the Urdu language. I am finding the Urdu from this list. Let me again search. Sorry, we were searching in voice, so let me speak. Book.
Kitab.
Kitab. This is the meaning of book in Urdu. Kitab. It has translated and also pronounced the word. I am using this dictionary for education.
मैं तालीम के लिए तबाही इस्तेमाल कर रहा हूँ.
Oh, that's so funny. It has not recognized the sentence correctly. I am using this dictionary for education.
मैं ये डिक्शनरी तालीम के लिए इस्तेमाल कर रहा हूँ.
Now it has understood the word correctly. In this way, you could search any word using the English dictionary, and you can explore many other features on this dictionary. And it also have list of all the words that exist. In the next videos, I will explain other tutorials. Subscribe to my channel to see different videos like this. Give thumbs up to this video, comment on it and share it with your friends.